Hello, everyone. Welcome to FlowSpace 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today we are learning Orange Level Unit 12. We will study 12 new vocabulary words together. The words are bristle, circular, coarse, discard, extreme, focus, grasp, inspire, magnify, marine, quake, and troublesome. Let's read, think, and grow together. Let's get started. Our first word is bristle. Say it with me, bristle. Bristle can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, bristle means a stiff, short hair or fiber. As a verb, bristle means to have hair standing on end or to show anger. For example, use a toothbrush with soft, gentle bristles. Another example is, an insulting remark may make a person bristle with anger. Some synonyms are whisker, spine, quill, stiffen, rise, and seethe. What objects have bristles? What can make a person bristle with anger? Our next word is circular. Say it with me, circular. Circular can be an adjective and a noun. As an adjective, circular means round, like a circle, or indirect. As a noun, circular means a leaflet or printed advertisement given to many people. For example, a circular path borders the pond. Another example is, the circular describes the shop's sales. Some synonyms are ring-shaped, roundabout, flyer, and brochure. Some antonyms are linear, straight, and direct. What things are circular? Where do people see circulars? Our next word is coarse. Say it with me, coarse. Coarse is an adjective. It means rough, low quality, common, rude, or made of large parts. For example, most people are offended by coarse behavior. Another example is, the coarse cloth felt rough. Some synonyms are rugged, crude, harsh, grainy, scratchy, vulgar, and gross. Some antonyms are smooth, silky, delicate, gentle, refined, and polite. What materials feel coarse? Why is coarse behavior not polite? Our next word is discard. Say it with me, discard. Discard can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, discard means to get rid of or throw away. As a noun, discard means something cast off or thrown away. For example, please discard your newspapers in recycling bins. Another example is, donate your clothing discards to a charity. Some synonyms are dump, dispose of, and eliminate. Some antonyms are save, keep, and retain. What things should we discard? What things should we recycle instead of throwing away? Our next word is extreme. Say it with me, extreme. Extreme can be an adjective and a noun. As an adjective, extreme means to the highest or greatest degree, exaggerated or farthest possible. As a noun, extreme means the highest, farthest, or greatest point, or one end of a range. For example, most people avoid extreme heat and cold. Another example is, songs often describe extremes of emotion. Some synonyms are ultimate, excessive, and outermost. Some antonyms are mild and ordinary. What weather can be extreme? What are some extremes in nature? Our next word is focus. Say it with me, focus. Focus can be a noun and a verb. As a noun, focus means sharpness, clarity, or the center of attention. As a verb, focus means to make clear or to concentrate. For example, it is easy to adjust the focus of binoculars. Another example is, always take the time to focus your camera. Some synonyms are heart, emphasis, direct, and adjust. One antonym is blur. Why is focus important in learning? What helps you focus? Our next word is grasp. Say it with me, grasp. Grasp can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, grasp means to take hold with the hands, to take eagerly, or to understand. As a noun, grasp means understanding or the ability to achieve something. For example, grasp the handrail so you don't trip. Another example is, a grasp of math's many rules is vital. Some synonyms are clutch, perceive, and comprehension. Some antonyms are drop, release, loosen, and misunderstand. What should you grasp when walking downstairs? What idea was hard to grasp at first? Our next word is inspire. Say it with me, inspire. Inspire is a verb. It means to guide, excite, uplift, encourage, or cause something to happen. For example, the Olympic Games inspire athletes to do their best. Another example is, a great teacher can inspire young readers. Some synonyms are influence, motivate, arouse, and affect. Some antonyms are deter and discourage. Who inspires you? How can words inspire people? Our next word is magnify. Say it with me, magnify. Magnify is a verb. It means to make bigger, to increase in importance, or to exaggerate. For example, a microscope can magnify tiny objects. Another example is, do not magnify a small problem. Some synonyms are intensify and enlarge. Some antonyms are diminish and reduce. What tool can magnify tiny things? Why should we not magnify small worries? Our next word is marine. Say it with me, marine. Marine can be an adjective and a noun. As an adjective, marine means related to the sea or seagoing branches of the armed forces. As a noun, marine means a soldier who serves on a ship or a member of the Marine Corps. For example, whales are marine mammals, not fish. Another example is the U.S. Marines fought pirates in the early 1800s. Some synonyms are nautical, maritime, oceanic, aquatic, coastal, and naval. What is your favorite marine animal? What things live in the marine world? Our next word is quake. Say it with me, quake. Quake can be a verb and a noun. As a verb, quake means to shake, move back and forth, or tremble. As a noun, quake means a shaking or trembling or an earthquake. For example, people who live in California often feel the ground quake. Another example is a minor quake does little damage. Some synonyms are shudder, shiver, vibrate, quaver, tremor, and shock. What should people do during a quake? What objects can quake or shake? Our last word is troublesome. Say it with me, troublesome. Troublesome is an adjective. It means difficult, annoying, upsetting, or causing worry. For example, it is troublesome to run out of gas on the highway. Another example is, a broken zipper can be troublesome. Some synonyms are hard, annoying, and upsetting. Some antonyms are easy and untroubling. What is a troublesome problem at school? How can you solve a troublesome situation? Great job today. You learned 12 new vocabulary words in Orange Level Unit 12. Let's read them one more time. Bristle, circular, coarse, discard, extreme, focus, grasp, inspire, magnify, marine, quake, and troublesome. Keep practicing these words so you can understand them. Remember them and use them in your own sentences. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next unit. Bye.